Well, hey there, on vacation in Palm Springs again, luckily, and I came up to the Tahquitz Canyon Waterfall, just up from the Triangle Inn and the Escape, right up Mesquite, just across Highway 111. So here it is, folks. So it was a short hike up here, really easy hike, just really beautiful and beautiful. And so here's the stream that runs down through town, and over here is the path they came in on, and over here there's the waterfall. And in fact, it's about 15 degrees cooler here, I guess. Just beautiful, isn't it? One of the little jewels of the Golden State right here. So y'all come to Palm Springs, you hear?